Chord spacing between 1 and 2 is A, between 2 and 3 is B, and between 3 and 4 is C. A, B, C. This is the Mad Zipper by Androshipus, Andrew. We're going to do a theme this time. It's going to be the Flash theme. The cover was actually done by Clint Story. Fantastic job he did on the bracelet. You'll see it in the beginning. Actually, you've already seen it. All right, so let's begin. This is a 4-strand core setup, Mad Max. You could do it. I would prefer to do this one independent core, so like that you can accent the colors. But you can do it one whole color with solid color. All right, so let's begin. We're gonna go down A and down C. And get the center of the chord. All right. So we're going to start with our right chord. We're going to go over, down through C, and you want a loose knot. Out through B, and down through A. Then you're going to come under, out through B. And we're supposed to go down through C, but just to show you, it's going to be like this, the actual knot. But I find it easier that when we're tightening, keep it loose at this point. So we start pulling. You're going to pull the cord coming out through B. Pretty tight, and then pull the front cord coming out through B also. Then with your right cord, you're going to come down through C. And that's the first part of your knot. All right, let's grab our left cord. We're going to go down through A, out through B, and down through C. We're going to come back out through B, and we'll keep the cord like that until we tighten it up. All right, so you're going to pull the cord coming out through B again, the one below. Push it up. And then you're going to pull the other one coming out, the front one coming out through B. All right, and then grab your left cord and come down through A. So that's the first part of your knot. Let's do another one. All right, we're going to grab our right cord. We're going to go down through C, out through B, and down through A. And remember, we're going to come out through B, so the cord goes upward. All right, now we start pulling the lower cord coming out of B. Push it up. And then the upper cord coming out through B. Then we grab our right cord and we come down through C. Okay, left cord, down through A, out through B, down through C, and out through B again. We're going to tighten. Pull the top cord from B. We grab our left cord and we go down through A. So a couple more. All right, we grab our right cord, down through C, out through B, and down through A. We're going to come out through B, and we start tightening. Pull the lower part of the B, push it up, and then pull the excess slack. Grab our right cord. We finish going down through C. Grab our left cord. We're going to go down through A, out through B, down through C, and out through B again. Pull this cord out through B and push it up. Okay, and then pull the slack. Then we grab our left cord again and we go down through A. And that's our bracelet. Well, have fun doing it.